Spend some time just enjoying your yard. If you're fortunate enough to have a bit of space here with a bit of privacy, or whatever, if this is in your backyard or whatever. When I used to fly airplanes, I used to tell people to start their inspection of their airplane as soon as they can see it, so from a distance. And sometimes when you come in with a plan to work on a particular hive or a couple of hives or to do something, you don't see the forest for the trees. So I've been here for an hour, and for the last 10 minutes I've just been watching stuff come and go, checking out the nuke boxes. I've just repositioned them, so I'm just seeing if bees are finding them, and they are. They're brilliant. But then I noticed this. I looked at this hive, and this looked out of the ordinary. Look at this. You see all that there? That is brood capping, and that shouldn't be there. You see that bee coming out? That's supposed to be a sealed bottom board, screened bottom board that does not let bees get in. But you see that bee? And even the dead bees, see, they're bringing out their garbage through that bottom board. So that means two things. It means this isn't sealed, and you can kind of see there's a space there, a big space. And it also means there's a hole in the screen below, so bees are getting in and out. I'm not too concerned with that hole, but I am concerned with this space, because when it comes to robbing season, that's going to be another area that this hive is going to have to defend. You see that? So I am going to close this up just by applying, a wedge or a shim back there. But then eventually, when I get back to inspecting this hive, I'm going to have to do some kind of a repair or replacement on that bottom board. So again, that's probably been there a while, because that's a lot of brood that's hatched out there. Like, that's the better part of a frame, an entire frame, because it even spills out onto there. See that? See how there's those brown cappings all over the place? Capping dust and dead bees. So that's something you have to watch for. Keep an eye on your yard. I had the same thing happening here. There was too much space on the bottom board, so I put wedged that little rock in there, and that closed it up really nice. See, no signs of anything over here. So I got to do the same over there, and then this yard is great.